Is your coffee starting to taste bad, but you haven't done anything differently? Maybe, just maybe, you're not cleaning the machine enough. Over time, as we extract espresso after espresso, oils and grounds of coffee end up in that brew head. It means that the residuals of all of the coffees past that we've had are then imparting their flavor onto our new espresso. It's going to add gentle, bitter overtones, and it's going to change the flavor. What do we need to do? Well, first of all, we need to backflush the machine using chemicals that are recommended by Pavoni. A simple backflush every few days can be perfect for making sure that none of those residual oils and flavors are going into our espresso. Next, when we're steaming milk, we have to make sure that we purge the steam wand and clean the steam wand every single time we use it. I know it can be painful to have to get used to that practice. We need to make sure that we clean down the steam wand and we give it a purge before and after every milk to make sure that we maintain the steam pressure and make sure that that's as clean as possible. By doing these two things, we are making sure that every cup of coffee we make has the chance to be as delicious as possible.